Hey there, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're doing something absolutely crucial. We are treating your channel setup like a masterclass in digital architecture. I mean, think about it. If you want to build a skyscraper that reaches millions of people, you don't start by painting the penthouse, right? You start by pouring a flawless concrete foundation. So today, we're going to lock in that hidden back-end architecture that directly dictates your reach.
Okay, let's dive into this because honestly, there is literally nothing more frustrating than pouring your soul into creating content, hitting publish, and just hearing absolute crickets. You've probably asked yourself, why do my great creations get literally 0 views? And hey, it's super easy to blame the algorithm, right? To kind of think it just hates you. But the reality, the algorithm isn't ignoring you out of spite. It's ignoring you because your channel's backend is completely unoptimized, so it's sending 0 signals about who should actually be watching.
To prove this isn't just some wild theory, let's look at a pretty shocking live A/B test that was conducted recently. 2 brand new channels were created on the exact same day. One was called Settings Off, and its backend was left completely untouched. The other was Settings On, where the backend was fully optimized using the exact blueprint we're covering today. They uploaded the exact same piece of content to both at the exact same time. The result? The Settings Off channel got literally 0 views, 0 impressions. The algorithm didn't even try. But the Settings On channel, it instantly pulled in over 500 views on its very first upload. This proves that your backend configuration, not just luck, is the ultimate gatekeeper to your virality.
So the crucial point is, we need a plan. Here is our roadmap to fix your foundation. First, we're looking at the 0 views problem. Then, choosing your creator path, building the perfect foundation, activating hidden viral settings, myths and rookie mistakes, and finally, we'll cover the 5-video launch. Let's get into it.
Section 1. The 0 views problem. The live experiment that proves back-end settings dictate reach. Section 2. Choosing your creator path. How the money works and picking your style.
Before we go flipping switches in the backend, we really need to understand the financial reality of the platform and exactly what type of creator you intend to be. Your settings have to reflect this choice. Let's talk incentive for a second. Why does the platform even want to push your content? Well, because it's a massive shared economy. There are over 122 million active viewers daily. When you bring those viewers in and keep them watching, the platform splits the ad revenue with you. 55% goes directly into your pocket, and they keep 45%. They actively want you to succeed because your success is literally their success.
And this brilliantly illustrates how you can capture that 55%. You generally have 3 distinct paths. The face approach builds high brand loyalty and opens doors for massive sponsorships, but it's an active grind that scales slowly. The faceless approach allows for incredibly fast mass production and passive income across multiple channels, but you build practically 0 personal brand. And then there's the hybrid approach, like a faceless channel that eventually reveals a personality. That offers a moderate growth speed but balances both passive income and strong loyalty. You need to decide your path right now because it dictates exactly how you set up your brand.
Section 3. Building the perfect foundation, signaling legitimacy to the algorithm.
Now that you know your path, let's build that perfect foundation. And honestly, this starts before you even log into the studio. Your absolute first step is creating a brand new, highly secure email account. Why new? Because an old email might have hidden security risks or be tied to forgotten platforms. And crucially, this is a big one. When setting the age on this new account, you must be over 18. If the system flags you as a minor, it will completely throttle your reach and shut off your comments. Once you're in, you must signal legitimacy to the AI. Go to your settings, hit Channel, and click Feature Eligibility. You need to unlock intermediate features immediately. Just click Verify Phone Number, punch in your number, and enter the OTP code. If you skip this, you literally cannot upload a custom thumbnail or post anything over 15 minutes. Without this step, the algorithm treats you like a ghost.
Next up, right below that, you absolutely must unlock advanced features. The easiest method by far is video verification. You'll get an email link on your phone, just find a clean background, make sure the lighting hits your face, and simply record a quick 6-second video turning your head left and right. It usually gets approved within 24 hours. Doing this proves to the system that you are a real, actual human, which drastically boosts your channel's authority.
Let's move to Section 4 and see how this built. Activating hidden viral settings, telling the AI exactly who your audience is.
All right, let's dive into the actual granular settings. This is where we feed the AI exactly what it needs to find your perfect audience. Pay close attention here. First, set your correct channel category in the upload defaults. If you're constantly bouncing between categories, the AI gets super confused and just stops promoting you. Second, in your channel keywords, do not just list topics. Actually list the names of your top 5 competitors. This is a massive signal that tells the AI to place you right in their suggested videos feed. Third, always set your default upload visibility to unlisted. This gives you unlimited time to perfect your SEO before the algorithm even begins to judge your launch. And finally, if you are a shorts creator, hide your likes initially. Viewers are totally fickle. If they see a brand new short with only 2 likes, they'll subconsciously judge it and swipe away before your hook even lands.
Now here is an incredibly powerful, entirely safe trick used by the pros. When you share your channel link on Instagram or WhatsApp, people usually click, look around for a second, and leave. But if you take your channel URL and paste !sub_confirmation=1 at the very end of it, anyone who clicks that link will immediately be hit with a giant subscribe pop-up before they even see your content. This one simple string of text can literally double your subscriber conversion rate from outside traffic. It's a total game changer.
Next up is the end screen trap. Listen, if viewers finish your content and the platform suggests someone else's content, you lose them forever. To fix this, create a playlist of your best, most similar content and name it something completely irresistible, like Part 2. Put this playlist as the sole element on your end screen, and make sure to link it in your description. By keeping viewers trapped in a continuous loop of your own content, your watch time explodes and your channel authority just skyrockets.
Section 5. Myths and Rookie Mistakes. What not to do when launching your channel.
All right, it's time to bust some massive myths, because there is so much terrible advice out there that is actively destroying new channels. Let's clear the air. First up, tags. Stop wasting hours copying and pasting 50 different tags. Remember that live experiment we discussed earlier? Well, researchers put a highly unique, completely made-up word into the tags of a video and searched for it. The results? No results found. Tags have absolutely zero value for search ranking today. The title is the undisputed king, closely followed by the top 2 lines of your description. That's it. Spend your energy there.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how a simple misclick out of caution can totally ruin you. When asked if your channel is made for kids, a lot of new creators think, well, it's family friendly, so I'll just click yes. Do not do this. Clicking yes legally restricts your content to viewers under 18, which completely disables your comment section and kills your community engagement. Unless you are literally making animated nursery rhymes for toddlers, always select no.
Another huge rookie mistake is faking your channel's location. You'll see some gurus tell you to set your country to the USA to get higher ad rates. Listen to me, this is a lethal trap. When it's finally time to get paid, you are going to be required to fill out legal tax forms for the exact country you selected. If you don't live in the US, you can't fill out US tax forms. Your money will literally be trapped in the system forever, so always choose your actual country of residence.
Okay, let's talk AI settings real quick. First, turn off automatic chapters in your upload defaults. The AI is notorious for reading the climax or the twist of your content and putting it right in the chapter title. This causes viewers to skip straight to the end, totally destroying your retention. Second, go to Advanced Settings and disallow third-party training. Don't let AI companies clone your hard-earned voice and data for free. Finally, only check the altered content warning if you are deeply deep-faking a real human's face or voice. If you're just using normal AI editing tools, leave it unchecked so you don't artificially suppress your own reach. Section 6. The 5-video launch. MatPat's rule for starting strong.
So, your foundation is now flawless. The settings are absolutely locked. It's finally time to launch. But how you launch is just as important as the settings themselves. You really need to listen to the strategy of one of the most analytical creators in history, MatPat. He states that launching with just one single video is the biggest mistake you can make. Think about it. If a viewer likes your first upload, they have literally nothing else to binge. You are basically telling the algorithm you can't retain people. By launching with a batch of 5 distinct pieces of content, you invite that new viewer on a significant watch time journey, which instantly proves to the AI that your channel is highly engaging and completely binge-worthy.
But wait, before you go uploading that batch of 5, you must exercise a little patience. After you've locked in all the powerful settings we discussed today, do not upload immediately. You need a 7-day calibration period. Give the backend systems a full week to register your keywords, your category, and your feature verifications. You have to let the AI properly map your new digital architecture before you introduce any content into it.
Well, you are no longer in the dark. You now have the exact architectural blueprint that separates zero-view graveyards from massive viral empires. The settings are optimized, the foundation is cured, and the strategy is crystal clear. So the only question left to ask is this:
Are you going to keep making excuses and blaming the algorithm, or are you ready to finally take control, launch those 5 videos, and demand the views you actually deserve? Get out there and start building.